Young leaves grow green on the banyan twigs and red on the peepal tree. The honey birds pipe to the budding figs and the honey blossoms call to the bee. Truly indeed, this description of the spring season by Sarojini Naidu gives us a message of hope and pumps in our life. Good morning, one and all. Today, I, Shivanshi, welcome you all to a wonderful, marvelous, and delightful morning to celebrate the festival of spring with us, the students of class 8th A. Basant Panchami. The spring festival is also associated with Saraswati Puja. Let us invoke the blessings of Ma Saraswati to bless each one of us. Namo is here to offer his prayers to Goddess Saraswati.
सरस्वती महाभागे विद्ये कमललोचने विद्यारूपे विशालाक्षी विद्याम देहि नमोस्तुते। अर्थात हे महाभाग्यवती, ज्ञान रूपा कमल के समान विशाल नेत्र वाली ज्ञानदात्री सरस्वती, मुझे विद्या दो, मैं आपको प्रणाम करता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Namo. Let us all be blessed. Now, Molly is here with a nice inspiring thought to brighten up our day.
May Goddess Saraswati bless you with ocean of knowledge and may you fly high as kite when season of knowledge arrive. Thank you and happy Basant Panchami.
Thank you, Molly, for brightening up our day. मैं ऋतुओं में प्यारा वसंत, मैं जग जग का प्यारा वसंत, मेरी पग ध्वनि सुन जग जागा, कण कण में मधुरास मांगा। महादेवी वर्मा जी की यह पंक्तियां हमारी नस नस में रक्त का प्रवाह तेज करती हैं और नई उम्मीद जगाती है। अब मैं अपनी सह पाठन गौरवी से अनुरोध करूंगी कि वह अपनी कविता हम सबके समक्ष प्रस्तुत करे।
मैं गौरवी सिंघल, कक्षा 8वीं की छात्रा, बसंत पंचमी के अवसर पर आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। सर्दी को दे दो विदाई, बसंत की है ऋतु आई, हवा सौरभ लेकर आई, फूलों ने जिसे लुटाई। बागों में बहार है, बहुतों की गुंजार है, तितली की भरमार है, फूल फूल की पुकार है। देखो तो सारी ओर कैसे सुंदर नाचे मोर, कोई कैसे होगा बोर, कोयल का जब है शोर। खेतों में गेहूं चना, सरसों रंग हल्दी सना, मधुमक्खी का काम बना, हम भी ढगे बदन। बसंती पहने हैं वसंत, रंगों का शुभ मिलन, रंग लगाता है सावन। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Gauravi. The bright resplendent colors of spring just take us to a higher pedestal. Vidisha is here to present a beautiful song with all of us. recommendation. Thank you, Vidisha. Namya is here to update us about the celebrations associated with the festival.
You must be wondering why yellow is considered so auspicious during Basant Panchami. The festival celebrates the season of spring and yellow represents the new bloom. It is also Goddess Saraswati's favorite color. Spring is considered one of the luckiest seasons and wearing yellow makes it even better. Another reason is that during the season, the fields are strewn with yellow mustard flowers known to fill energy in the mind. The bright yellow color symbolizes prosperity, luck, and positivity. This makes the color yellow very important on Basant Panchami. The significance of the day lies in the worship of Goddess Saraswati, symbol of wisdom. According to the popular belief, the origins of the festival lie in Aryan period. The Aryan came and settled in India through Kaimbar Pass, crossing the Saraswati River among many others. Being a primitive civilization, most of their developments took place along the banks of River Saraswati. Thus, River Saraswati began to be associated with fertility and knowledge. It is then that the day began to be celebrated. In today's times, the festival is celebrated by farmers as the oncoming of the spring season. Another tradition associated with this day is that the initiating of studies in the young. Young children often begin learning on this day, which is believed to be the reason why school session starts in the month of March. Thank you. In India, festivals are all about togetherness and harmony. The fun and frolic of the occasion is simply incomplete without good food and happiness. With the onset of the spring season, it's time to celebrate the festival of Basant Panchami, predominantly celebrated in the eastern parts of India as Saraswati Puja, particularly in West Bengal and Bihar. However, in North India, especially in Punjab, Basant Panchami is celebrated as a festival of kites, whereas in Rajasthan, wearing jasmine garlands to celebrate this festival is a part of the ritual. Basant Panchami is celebrated with great enthusiasm and fervor in Punjab and Haryana. Like all Indian festivals, Basant Panchami is incomplete without seasonal delicacies. Meethe chawal, makke ki roti and sarson ka saag are a few mouth-watering dishes served in Punjab. In Bengal, Saraswati Puja serves as a children's festival. People eat khichdi, a blend of rice and pulses, and pair it up with various fritters. Sweets like Rajbhog and Payesh are also served in Saraswati Puja, whereas in Odisha, Pushpa Panjali is offered to the deity. On this day, men and women wear yellow colored clothes and worship Saraswati, the goddess of learning. The festival also kickstarts Rangotsav in Bake Bihari temple in Mathura from this day. Basant Panchami or Saraswati Puja is celebrated in Assam as well. The birth of Saraswati is associated with getting up early in the morning, cleaning the surroundings of the house and the puja area.
The joyous fervor and unlimited enthusiasm of the festival not only makes us happy but also makes us dance. Hemant is here to enthrall you all with his dance moves. Next in turn, we have Mahi to share the story behind the festival.
A very good morning and happy Vasant Panchami to all my virtual audience. We all might be wondering that why do we celebrate Vasant Panchami? Though there are many mythological stories behind it, but there are a few very interesting ones. It is believed that Lord Brahma, the father of all eternal life, created the universe on this day. It is also believed that Lord Brahma, the king of Ayodhya, ate half-tasted grapes of Mata Sabri in order to commemorate the festival of Vasant Panchami. Vasant Panchami is celebrated with full glee and delight in all parts of India. Vasant Panchami is also celebrated as the birthday of Lord Saraswati, who symbolizes knowledge, truth, purity, and wisdom. May Lord Saraswati bless you with the ocean of happiness which never ends. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you, Mahi. Now I would like to invite Arushi to share her poem with us.
Good morning. I am Arushi and today I am going to recite a poem on Basant Panchami. Spring is the budding green joy, fresh breezes and sunshine, birds singing, children sloshing the puddles of their sidewalks. Spring breeds anticipation, green shoots sprouting from the earth into unfurling flowers. The sweet scent of hyacinths, a baby bird is learning to fly. Spring sweeps dust out of our corners. As we wake up, as we look and listen to the promise of the morning sunrise, to the promise of a new glowing life. Wishing everyone a warm, bright and beautiful spring. Happy Basant Panchami.
Arushi, that was just beautiful. Now, proceeding towards the end of today's assembly, let us understand the cycle in nature. Spring after winters, light after darkness, and hope after despair. The tough times which had knocked down our previous year is sure to be followed by a year of hope, promises, and good health. Thank you and wishing you all a very happy Basant Panchami.